Talent Search Cymru is back.
All of you should be really, really proud of yourselves and what you've done and what you have achieved so far, alright? Now remember guys, Zach's not you, but we have got to judge Zach's performance on this also, what we've seen tonight. We have made that decision, alright? So guys, I want all of you to be really, really proud of yourself, right? But we all know that we can only take 10 people through to the top 10. Alright guys? So, the person we've decided to unfortunately have to leave us tonight, and of course, by no means, I think everyone up there is talented, but we have to be realistic. On terms of a competition, somebody has to leave, and we've got to base it on everything we've seen so far to date, alright? So the person unfortunately leaving us tonight, and guys, I want nothing but respect for this person, and nothing but love for this person, right? Because like I said, all 10 of you are talented, end of. You've all got talent, alright? But somebody has to leave. The person leaving us tonight is... Bracken. Round of applause for the guys. Kelly, can I come to you? Would you like to say a few words to her, please? What would you like to say to her?
I think you've been wonderful. I think you need to really stick at it now. And like I said in my comments, if you find like strategies that help you overcome your nerves, help you with the timing, you're just going to get stronger and stronger. You've definitely got a lovely voice there and a really unique tone. I wouldn't let this set you back. I would use this as a stepping stone now to keep pushing and making your way ahead. Because I honestly believe that once you start and you overcome those little hurdles, you will really show people what you're made of. Really will.
Zoe, what would you like to say?
Yeah, if this is something you want to do, which it should be, because you have like bags and bags of potential, then you just need to, like Kelly said, just keep sticking at it and putting in the work, because you do have so much potential. Like there's so much there, you just need to break down them walls and them layers to get to it. But you've had a really good run, girl. Well done.
Bracken, look, this takes nothing away from you. I want you to know that. I don't want you to feel like, you know, oh, I'm the weakest or anything like that. This is not about this, alright? It's a training process. We're here to help everyone equally. And if you want any help at all with your music after this, after tonight, I am there. You only got to message me. Can I come to the studio? Can I do this? I'm more than happy to still work with you, because there is 100% talent there. We have heard it in so many aspects over the last couple of weeks in what you've done, especially last week. We know there's talent there. I think this all boils down to, which I think everyone heard tonight, the timing problem. That is something that needs to come up to scratch. It was getting there last week, and then this week is stepped back again. And it's like, when you got everyone coming out and everyone stepping up a little bit more, it has to be fair, you know? And we have to go, right, well, wait there now. What's going on in front of us? You know, who do we feel it's not going to work? Who's not going to push as much next week and things like that. At the end of the day, this little bit of journey you've had over the last 4 weeks, you need to take that and go, do you know what? I've got talent, because you 100% got talent. I've got everything it takes to do really, really well. All you need is dedication, commitment, and a bit more drive, and I promise you, you will do severely well. You will do severely well. It's all down to you. But please, thank you, man. So please remember and take note from tonight that along with everyone else, you are equally as talented. So please know that, and we want you to know that, because we don't want you to go from you feeling like you ain't talented. That is crap. You've got talent, just remember that, alright? Round of applause for the guys. Well done, Bracken. So guys, I'm going to quickly come to the contestants now that are remaining for us, guys. Well done. Round of applause for the big guys. Well done, Bracken. So, we are going to come to you lot now. So, Zach will be back joining us next week. Don't forget now, all performances will go up now from tonight to tomorrow online, including Zach's, if anybody wants to go check that out too. So, I've got to give you next week's theme. You all ready for it? Here we go. So the theme we have decided for all of you to take on next week, and this is a very interesting one, is gender twist. Now let me explain what that means. is all the girls left in the competition must sing a song originally done by a male artist. And all the males are going to sing songs by female artists. Alright? That is what's going to happen. Come to Katie Vibes. What we've decided to do is we've had to think about both of what you offer in the act, and we actually want both of you to, obviously as a duo, come out and do a song by a solo male artist, right? So it's a little bit different. You probably would have expected band, but we want to go for that. I think it's aimed more at you, Cal, and what you can do vocally to see how you are on a male track, to see what you would do with it. Of course, Dad, we know you're going to fall into it with your rap and everything, and it'll work, you know. But I think the challenge is pushed more at Kelly a little bit. So come up with whatever you come up with, guys. The same with all of you. Get your heads in the game. It's only 10 left now, 9 next week. This is narrowing down, all right? And once again, I do want to apologise for tonight, guys, because the only reason I raised my voice like that is because I'm really, really passionate about what all you were doing, all right? And I do, you know, and I'll continue to do that. But other than that, guys, a round of applause for all guys. And I just want to thank all the friends and family for coming along and supporting them tonight, guys. And we will see you next week for the 3rd theme. Well done, guys.
Apply now at www.musicwales.org.